Did anybody get it correct?
So,
A couple of y'all
wasn't
did.
it like symmetric?
Oh no, I think I got it correct.
Say it louder, Mr. Floyd.
Symmetric.
What property is that?
Symmetric.
Symmetric. The symmetric property.
We have to put property.
No, you don't have to put property, but just know that this is the symmetric property, okay?
I thought you wanted me to solve something.
If A is equal to B, then B is equal to A, okay? That is the symmetric property. Reflexive property, A is equal to A. Symmetric property, if A is equal to B, B is equal to A.
Oh, okay.
Transitive property, if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C, okay? That's how it kind of trickles down, all right? So make sure that y'all memorize that.
If you confused
No.
me, you put the letters. Like, no, I'm saying like you got the A, B, C equal. I'd be like, what the heck is this even supposed to mean?
I understand. But that's all the more reason. That's all the more reason why I need for y'all to like focus on this stuff, okay? Because you will see it on your post-test / midterm. Use the picture to the right for problems 15 and 16. 15 and 16, okay? Boom. All right. Use it. So, given measure of angle 3 is equal to 62 degrees. Find the measure of angle 1. The measure of angle 3 is equal to 62 degrees.
Oh yeah, it's good.
What? Yeah, 62, right?
Measure of angle 1 is what?
Would it be 62?
Measure of angle 1 is equal to 62 degrees. Why?
Because it's congruent.
Through what property?
Wait, what?
Definition of,
Hold up. Damn, I'm from the
because you can't just say that it's congruent. I need for y'all to understand why. Say it louder.
Wait, was that right?
Say it louder. What'd you say?
The vertical angle theorem?
And what does the vertical angle theorem state?
Two non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines.
They're basically congruent.
When they're across from each other, okay? Vertical angles, right? Vertical angle theorem. Okay? Vertical angle theorem. Please write that. I need for y'all to understand this stuff, okay?
Oh, theorem.
Yes. I need for y'all to understand this. I'm gonna erase this part so that we can do 16. Solve for x and find the measure of each angle. Given angle 2 is equal to 4x minus 4. Angle 2 is equal to 4x minus 4. And angle 4 is equal to 2x plus 12. So solve for x and find the measure of each angle. Each of these angles, okay? Cool? Now, how are we going to do that? Well, what are angles 4 and 2?
They're congruent to each other, so it's going to be part equal.
Why are they congruent?
Because they're right next to each other. Vertical angle theorem.
Angle 4 and angle 2 are vertical angles, just like angle 1 and angle 3, okay? They're vertical angles. Which means, what's the equation that we're going to use? Cobb, what's the equation that we're going to use for vertical angles? No.
Part equals part.
Angles, thank you. Say it louder.
Part equals part.
Part equals part. Okay? When they're congruent, memorize this, okay? When they're congruent, part equals part. When they're part of a whole, then yeah, that is part plus part equals whole, okay? But in this type of situation, part equal to part. 2x plus 12 is equal to 4x minus 4. Is this on the camera right here?
You don't know.
Miss Elias,
It looks like.
Southern camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Cooper. So, again, I keep reiterating this to y'all. The most y'all are going to do in this class are multi-step equations. Variables on either side of the equal sign, okay? You're not going to be doing no extravagant stuff like Algebra 2, all right? So, just so you know, y'all should know how to solve this, okay? This is all of y'all's chapter 1 that's going to be on this test. Chapter 2, putting this stuff into an equation. Chapter 1, solving it, okay? Let's do it the Wagner way. He likes to keep his variables positive, right? So let's subtract this 2x to the other side, add that 4 to the other side. Those cancel out, therefore you have 16 equal to 2x. X is equal to what?
8.
There we go, right?
Booyah.
Now that we have 8, let's find out all of these, okay? Which one of these is the easiest one for us to put the 8 into?
4.
4. 4 times 8 is what?
32.
32 minus 4 is what? Huh? 28. 32 minus 4 is 28 degrees. 28 degrees. And if this is 28 degrees, then this one is 28 degrees, right? Okay? And so, if both of these are 28 degrees, what is 1 and 3?
28. Wait.
62.
Oh, yeah, 60. What?
62? Oh, y'all are making them into 90, right?
Yeah.
But these are a straight line. What is a straight line?
180.
180.
180. So what's 180 minus 28?
1.
I know, I'm big numbers.
162.
132.
Wait, 180
162.
minus 28?
162 or something, right?
It's 132.
Yeah, 130. It's 130. Oh, wait.
How you get
Oh,
162
God.
from that? It's 162, right?
No.
It'll be.
We're trying to get to 80, right?
162.
152.
Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Wagner.
I
said
said
152.
That was so painful.
It was. Like,
I
it
was
should be
trying
that easy.
Y'all are moving too fast. Slow and steady wins the race.
No, you always talk.
If you move fast, you make fast
I'm gonna be
mistakes.
the turtle up
Okay.
in here.
So just take your time with this. Please take your time. All right? Everybody good? Good? Gucci? Cool.
Wait, was that 16?
Yes, this was 16.
I thought that was 15.
No,
15 was
fif- 15 was us just introducing the vertical angle theorem right there. Like, okay, if angle 3 is 62, then what is angle 1? Obviously, that's 62, right? But now we're on a different equation for. Oh, I see why y'all said 62.
Yeah, because.
No. No, they're two different equations.
Yeah, that's gonna mess you up.
Yeah, well, yeah. Just know that they're two different equations.
Just look at the line.
All right, so 17. Find the midpoint of AB. I'm not gonna have the midpoint, the distance formula, and the slope up there.
The what?
Okay, exactly. I'm gonna be going over the midpoint, the distance formula, and the slope when I introduce linear equations to you guys. Okay, so you shouldn't have to worry about.
I heard you.
You shouldn't have to worry about the midpoint, slope, or distance formula up there. All right. I brought this worksheet from Virginia. Okay. They're a little bit more advanced than Arizona. Not trying.
Arizona's like this stupid stupid.
No, Arizona is far from the Well, I don't want to say it's far from the stupid states. It's not quite there when it comes to the stupid states. Okay. Huh?
Or something really.
Nah, Arizona is like about 42, 43 when it comes to
Out of
education.
50 states.
Out of 50, yeah,
That's
y'all are in the
still pretty
40s.
good. Wait, what's number
We're in
one?
the top 10 of
Number
the
one?
education.
Number 1 and 2, they kind of teeter-totter between Jersey and Massachusetts.
I'm moving to Jersey.
Yes, I'm going to Jersey.
I'm going to Massachusetts.
Wait, I'm gonna be way
Why
too
would y'all
behind.
want to do that to
It's
yourself?
gonna be way too
When I
behind.
left Virginia,